Have you ever wondered where marine litter comes from? The answer may surprise you. A plastic bag gets thrown away into a bin. A truck collects the bin with the plastic within. Now, with the trash acquired by a man someone hired, the plastic bag crowns a massive mound of trash at an open dump site. But there are improper conditions, and like big, smelly creatures with a grudge against the sea, these mounds, these open graveyards, let the plastic bag blow into a river. The river becomes the Great Blue Ocean. Like a drop of pee in the cup, that is the sea, which slowly turns into an outpouring, a wave, and destroys marine life.
But it doesn't have to be this way. We can help stop marine litter at its source by closing dump sites. These sites are where an estimated 40% of the world's waste ends up. Dump sites are typically in low and middle income countries. Many are located near waterways with plastic waste washing or blowing away. And that's just the impacts on the ocean.
Unlike engineered landfills, dump sites don't have safeguards for health and the environment. They pollute the air and the water. They are dangerous places to work and live by. In fact, the health impacts of dump sites in places like India are worse than malaria.
We are ISWA, a global not-for-profit, aiming to close the world's most polluting dump sites and replace them with safe waste recycling facilities. We recently had a big win, campaigning to close the biggest dump site in Latin America. The local government has replaced the dump site with engineered landfill and is building recycling facilities. But there are many more dump sites to close and we can't do it alone. Help us build a future without dump sites and marine litter.